Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will introduce you to a website. The name is microjobcard.com, from where you can do all kinds of work, including your personal work. You can post jobs here. Many workers are sitting to work on this site. So let's see what kind of work you can post here. Facebook likes, followers, YouTube subscribers, YouTube video watch, Telegram followers, sign up job, and many more types of work you can be posted here. Let's see how to open an account on this site. First, you click on the link in the description box of this video. Such an interface will show in front of you. First, you need to give your full name in this box, then enter your email address, enter your country, mobile number, password, confirm password, and enter captcha. Then click register. Now you need to log in. Click on the login menu at the top right corner. You can see. So I am logging in into my account. Click. So after login, you can see such an interface in front of you. To post a job, we need to make a deposit first. Then click deposit now. So you can see multiple payment method, Nogad, Rocket, and Binance. So I click Binance because it is an international payment method. Here you can see a from you can see their Binance email. There is no cost to send dollars by email. So I copy this email. So you can see more option, conversation rate, total amount. You can see. So you need to enter your amount and enter order ID. Now I need to copy their email. So I copy their email. Now I'm going to Binance account. So you can see my account. Log in your Binance account for deposit. So I'm logging my Binance account. So you can transfer your Binance dollar by clicking transfer from spot to funding. So I click funding and then click send and paste their email here and continue. Enter amount. I enter 5 USD. Then continue. Complete my payment. You can see. Uh, Click transaction option and you can see order ID. I copy this order ID. So you need to copy this order ID. So click this. After paste order ID, you need to input screenshot in here. So I input. After click post job, you can see multiple option, international, USA, Canada. So I select international, then select category. I select YouTube, select subcategory, subscribe, then write job title. So enter your job title here, enter your description, enter your proof, required proof the job was complete. How much worker you need to enter here. So I enter 158 worker, then enter your amount, how much amount you want to pay worker. So I enter 0.03. So you can enter 0.03 minimum 0.03. How much time need to be finish this work? So I enter 2 minutes. I enter 2 minutes, then submit job. Submit your job success. You can job should be published after admin review. You can check and control your job. Click job section, my job. You can check your job after admin review. It has been published.